I'm Thomas Beggs, the Executive Officer of 7th Engineer Dive Detachment from 130th Engineer Brigade, stationed on Joint Base Pearl Harbor Hickam on Oahu. So today we're inspecting the south mooring buoy here at the fuel pier on Kwajalein. The mooring buoys are maintained by the Fleet Mooring Inspection Division of the Navy's XWIC. XWIC is the Navy's Expeditionary Warfare Command. We have a Navy XWIC partner out here, Paul Stephen Chirico, and Paul Stephen was he's a former Navy UCT diver. UCT is Underwater Construction Team, the Army Engineer Divers Navy equivalent, I would say. As a civilian, he is now in charge of the Fleet Mooring Inspection Program. He will be diving with us to take various measurements and conduct the inspection to make sure that the mooring buoy is still in operable condition. The two mooring buoys here at the fuel pier allow large vessels to safely essentially park in car terms next to the pier and refuel or potentially download whatever cargo they're carrying. What that means for the community is that the vessels can go in and out and bring things to Kwajalein, take things away from Kwajalein as required. So we're looking for the condition of the chains as well as the condition of what we call jewelry. The jewelry is all of the various pins, shackles, screws that make up total anchoring of the mooring buoy. And we look for any degradation, we measure all corrosion, we measure all failing of the metal, anything like that. If we find anything, then we note it down, and if it meets a certain threshold, then XWIC will either repair or replace it. Most inspections, like mooring inspections or pier inspections, are conducted using scuba. We have to make sure that our scuba gear is completely prepared. We make sure all of our maintenance records are intact, conduct our visual inspections and our operations tests before we go in the water. A supervisor will conduct their final hands-on inspection of the diver before they enter the water. That's how we certify our guys to actually go subsurface.
First name Mateo, last name Rolfs. I am a dive supervisor for the 7th Engineer Dive Detachment. For Army Dive, we're very meticulous on the PMCS process for all our gear. We just gotta make sure that all the gear works properly, because at the end of the day, we're putting someone's lives in that equipment, and we just gotta make sure that it works properly all the way through. Thankfully, here in Kwajalein and back in Hawaii, you have beautiful, pristine water, so it's a little easier to look at what you're doing. But if you're anywhere with murky waters, you need to see with your hands, which provides a different type of challenge. Some of the safety procedures that we do, we like to do our supervisor checks, tender checks, and then we like to be very redundant when it comes to surface checks, in-water checks, before the diver leaves surface. We like to say that the US Navy dive manual was written in blood, so we have to follow like it's a Bible, right? As long as we follow the protocols, everybody gets to go home. I think the most rewarding part is helping the community, and when you get to see the fruits of your labor come into place, people using what you installed, or that's probably the most rewarding part. We are all trained at a baseline level to use scuba, and then based on whichever job we're performing, we make sure that we understand what it is that we're actually looking for before we go under there. While you're using scuba equipment, you can't talk to the surface and you can't talk to your partner while you're under there. So we have to make sure that everybody has a full understanding of what exactly they're looking for. For instance, in this mooring inspection, we have to make sure that we know which exact chain links we'll be measuring. We have to make sure we know which exact jewelry we'll be looking for, and ensuring that it's present and functional. If we identify the problems now, then we can take small steps for maintenance rather than wait for the buoy to fail and have to make a larger effort in the future. Replacing a few shackles now is much easier than replacing an entire mooring buoy. Mooring inspections are just one thing that we offer among several others, but at the end of the day, when somebody like the Kwajalein Garrison asks us to assist, then we figure it out. We're engineers, and our motto is let us try. We go where we're needed and solve the problem once we're there. A lot of people may not realize that all sorts of marine infrastructure
needs to be maintained and repaired at varying intervals. And also when something fails, it still has to get fixed up. Though we're under the water, you can't see exactly what we're doing most of the time. We're here to help, and we're here to make sure that the marine facilities here on Kwajalein are operational and supporting the garrison and community. Happy to be here and happy to help the garrison and the community. Yakwe.
Staff Sergeant Flanagan from 7th Engineered Dive Detachment. Today we were inspecting the personnel pier on Gagan. So we're evaluating the I-beams of the water, the concrete on top of the I-beams, the deck structure, mooring systems on the pier itself, and any fender buoys that are placed on the pier. So we're looking for corrosion, looking for spalling in the concrete. Spalling is the cracking of concrete, so the rebar underneath the concrete will rust and expand, and causing the concrete to kind of basically crack away and deteriorate. Any holes in the I-beams themselves, just anything that shows that there is deterioration happening or that's going to become a serious issue in the near future. Pretty simple, usually with the GoPros, and also to take actual measurements, just rulers, tape measures, anything we have can tell our client who we're working for that we think this is going to be a serious issue or endanger vessels, personnel, kind of like the big giveaways. And if it's structurally unsound, after the dive we just write inspections report. So we're going to attach any GoPro videos and or photos, and along with a write-up of all the information that we were taken down during the dive itself. Corrosion's a huge one, especially out here in the Pacific. Ton of salt water, especially underneath the decking itself, just getting sprayed with salt water at all times. You don't really have marine life growing on it, so it kind of stays pretty bare and then oxidizes super quick. It's the main issue we see here. It's really just getting ahead of the game, trying to fight with Mother Nature. So if we can make the smaller fixes now, so we won't have to completely destroy the pier and then replace it. So we can, do some things to keep the lifespan of the pier lasting a little bit longer. We'll try to do that. Good information, how much longer the pier has. Good video. We should be able to hand over our report, and any person can pick it up and have a really good understanding of what's going on. Hoo-yah, deep sea.
All right, that's enough work for this. Let's go ahead and go get some chow. I wonder what kind of weather it is outside. I don't gotta worry about that. You gotta be kidding me, man. It's raining outside. I wish there was an app that allowed me to see what kind of weather there was on Kwaj. Boat ready for tomorrow. It's all gonna be good. Got everybody all set too, so it's not gonna be an issue. Let's check the MAPA just to verify that everything's all settled. The last thing I want is to be caught in some rain or if it gets canceled. No notifications, that's pretty good. Let's check one more. I really don't believe it still, but let's check one more time. Let's check the archived. Due to weather, boat rentals for July 11th are canceled. Thank goodness it wasn't tomorrow. Rentals are expected to resume tomorrow morning, 12th of July. Perfect. But you know what I need to do though, is I gotta put these notifications on.
This is my Army post for Usaka Kwajalein, your whole base in one app. The home screen gives you what matters first: live weather, air quality, and emergency numbers right up front. Open the menu and your key tools are one tap away. Work orders, medical appointments, ICE surveys, and even Army CID submit a tip. Tap Explore for resources and browse by category: ferry flight schedules, finance, housing, schools, recreation, and more. Need groceries? You can find Surfway's hours and location. And notifications keep you in the loop for ferry changes, diving advisories, travel updates for neighboring islands. One app, everything Kwajalein. Download my Army Post app today and keep Kwajalein in your pocket.
Yawa im welcome on United States Army Garrison Kwajalein Atoll Marine Department. Moda jana perilo passenger ferry ngan Ebeye. Joyum ronjaga nanin kaudisgi. Joyum 1 mile ilawan walkway ngan pouring kdeo. Perion while joining lag join rail. Eligina perion while joyum ligut peko ak moiko lagajokwam lalin chiayawam. Ange echeb narong komoron ligut ilo chicken cargo ekarangan chicken cargo. Pay exit go ak walkway go ranger puk. Kajabaro penche war chabro men ilo ayal go ak passes way go. Captain im kururo rai karak lawan wine. Kapajidio pag michatodo imnge rik sigin chalak cargo eberong tabarak yon wine. Chojum ronjaga kwen chep chia dak per yon chicken wego pe chep chicken chia imeka wadada. Ilo yen emergency chicken wego chicken evacuation nge lang ak irum ilo yen emergency. Kajabaro koam ren per loan wayo ale bien. Ego ba ilo yenan wine adar attacking when chep chia yon railgo. Imego ba ilo yenan nana weather ak loyot cho yum chep chia lo and railgo and wine. Ilo ferry elang limit go ye. Chongon limit and passenger ak arabijoro ramarong pello wine chubugi lemoy. In chongon aramijo emarong pello yon wine rongo chilu armi. Ngelangam kachidagi chen capacity ak chen chongon limito which kebagalak crew ro kap captain roan wine. Ilo an wheel yin passenger ro reche marong pello wan ak trerin wheel yin. Aramijo roje with pello wan wheel yin e captain ro im crew ro ramarong pello wan wheel yin. Angej lang emergency choyum rolangan chia am im ronjaga instruction go an crew ro an wine. Nge kwajlo chon kijek a kwajlo chon meno echapekar chojum report ngan chon yang reservoir roan elang kain ikun kijek ko driver yon wine para north fire hose elang lo wine ngan ikun kijek im chabarod wine go komron kajar balangan ojin your life chagd ko repello lowan wine ilo upper deck im lower deck chojum rojaga instruction go chen crew member roan wine ewaran ajiri im rutto live jagat ilo wine kanaga live jagat wine ngan ayram toyo ilo ligun im kabine ngan man kokone live jagat wam moda jana najuro kokon live jagat wayo igi chelan warene ju wodalak lamajim man overboard magajim kachem chada mejam ngan army ge ewo ro epebe ak live ring ko repel wilo imbarilo lower level live ring ke nak epebe ge ngan chibang army ge we wodalak jen yon wine nge elang army ge wodalak chen ferry kon chop chibangai akon eor emen live flow go ilowan wine imraj marong charbal kagi ilo ien emergency ilowan ferry emo kapata karak im chu piron rache melim ngan lawan ferry awlep kobijo lo wine rawi talangan liyen kobijo komol tada am rojaga nanin kagalgelgin chojum enjoy ilo am we ilo wine